Here is how you get the book Women Inspiring Women and enroll in the course. So go to the landing page. You can type Women Inspiring Women. You'll find it, Google it, you'll find it on social media, on TikTok, wherever. Click on Learn More. Put in your name. I'm going to put in my name, but put in yours, not mine. Your email. Here I'm putting in mine. Don't copy what you see here. Put in your own email. Click on Send. Share your details. Now, if it's the first time you're requesting information from the Geneva Learning Foundation, you're going to have to click on the link in the secure email that you get. Once you do that, that will trigger the arrival of an email. And let's see if it has arrived yet. So you go to your inbox. Okay, here it is. It just arrived. So you have 5 steps. Step 1 is to get the book. So view download page. All right, click on that. Okay, you'll see a pop-up window is blocked in Safari, so you need to open it up. Here it is. Here's the page. You scroll down and you get the book, download the book. There you go. You now have the book. Go back to the email, enroll in the course. So let's enroll in the course. You'll need to have pop-ups activated. Click on enroll. Now you'll have to fill in your account details. So I'm going to fill in mine. And there, make sure you remember your password. The password does have some requirements. It needs to be at least 8 characters, include a number, a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a special symbol. As long as you don't have all of those, you won't be able to register. Put in your biological sex, man or woman, country of residence. In my case, it's Switzerland. You'll put in yours, and then you do need to agree to the terms and conditions, and boom, sign up. Then you see the button, join course. Click on that. Congratulations, you've successfully joined the course. Get ready, and then start course. You're in. Next, you're going to get started with the course. Here it takes a few seconds to load to get the course ready for you. And what are all these locks? In order to unlock the modules in the certification, you actually have to complete these different elements, these different lessons. So first, you'll start by tell us about yourself. You get some explanation why we ask these questions, and then click on start. Here again, you get asked, so I work at the international level. You should fill in the information that's relevant for you and confirm. Are you sure? You cannot change these responses, so double check if you're not sure and confirm once you're sure. There you go. You've entered your responses, and now, okay, it's still locked. So what's going on? I need to invite a colleague to join me. Share the invitation privately with WhatsApp. Okay, I know somebody on WhatsApp. It says, would you like to join me? I'm taking the Women Inspiring Women course. It says continue to chat. And so this will open up my WhatsApp, and then I can post in my status. One you've shared with a colleague, then mark as completed. And you see the little check mark now here. But you still got all those locks. So how do you unlock module 1? There's one more thing you absolutely need to do is to download the book. Now you've already downloaded the book from the email. So in this case, if you've done that, you can just mark as completed. There's more information about the book. And here you actually have the book shown here. If you want to download it, then you use this. It may look a little bit different on a PC or if you're on an Android device, but that's the idea. And now, lo and behold, if I go to module, okay, I'm going to reload the page. You may have to do that in some cases. And guess what? Module 1 is now unlocked. So what's in Module 1? A lot of great stories from women from all over the world. Start reading, start going through it. You can go at your own pace. Each time you finish with something, mark as completed.